Hey Lauren,
Hey guys!
ready for 73 questions?
Let's do it.
So what are you working on right now?
I am just doing a little bit of email and a little bit of merch designing.
Go-to coffee order?
Grande skinny vanilla latte, but with soy milk.
That sounds good. How about the next DIY? What can we expect?
DIY YouTuber merch episode 3.
Cool. Is it true that you only do the DIYs once on camera?
That is true.
How about your favorite project?
Definitely DIY Halloween stuff. Stuff gets really crazy with costumes.
Ooh, a piano. Do you play or is it just decor?
It's like kind of half and half, more for friends that are actually good, but I did grow up playing.
Any other instruments?
Guitar as well.
So you can read music.
I can, but again, it's been forever.
So can you play us something?
It's been so long. I'm gonna play you like 2 measures. I don't know if I've ever played on camera, and we're gonna like hold all judgment. And oh no. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that's all you get.
That's pretty good.
It's
So what
not
are you
bad.
listening to right now?
The new Black Bear.
First concert?
A Backstreet Boys cover band.
Speaking of music, are we going to be hearing any more LaurDIY originals?
I don't know. I think that might be it for the LaurDIY music career.
So how do you start your day?
Usually I wake up and Moose gets breakfast, and then I get breakfast, and then we go for a little walk.
Your go-to breakfast?
Peanut butter and bananas on toast, or like an avocado toast.
Oh, that sounds great. Biggest pet peeve?
Loud chewers.
Like the moose.
Like the moose.
What's something you always have in your pantry?
Oh my gosh, I feel like this is the cool part of Cribs when they used to show like a really cool stocked pantry, but mine's just crackers and candy. It's so bad.
How about your favorite candy?
Mini eggs.
All-time favorite food?
Ooh, mushroom ravioli with like a white cream sauce.
Dang, I'm hungry now. Guilty pleasure treat?
Cheesecake.
Oh, so this is Moose's Corner.
This is Moose's Corner, so just like his treats and food and stuff.
Where's Moose?
Moose? Moose, do you want a treat? Where's the moose? Oh, hello! Hello, Steve! Hello! Oh.
So how did you name him?
I think it's like partially being Canadian and also because his head shape is like kind of moose-like.
So will Moose ever get a sibling?
I don't know. Leaning towards no right now.
Okay. Can I give him a treat?
Totally. Moose, what's this? What's this? What's this?
So what are you watching right now?
Oh my gosh, I just finished all 7 seasons of Game of Thrones.
How long did that take?
Only a month and a half?
Only a month and a half?
I know.
How about your favorite movie?
Ooh, I'd have to say Moana.
Have you done any acting?
A little bit. I had a cameo in a little Netflix show and then a cameo in Boo 2, a Medea Halloween.
Can we expect to see you in anything else?
I think that's probably it for my acting career.
So how do you unwind?
Moose and I just straight chilling on the couch, watching some YouTube.
YouTube and chillin'.
YouTube and chill.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Everything happens for a reason. Which one are you? One alarm or multiple alarms?
Multiple for sure.
No way. One alarm always.
Twitter or Instagram?
Ooh, I think I use Twitter more. Like, I'm a big time tweeter multiple times a day, and I only post on Instagram once a day, but maybe if I only could choose one, Instagram?
Oh, the Mr. Kate office.
The Mr. Kate office!
What do you use this room for?
So it's a combination of an office and then also just like mostly merch and product storage.
Can you show me your favorite product?
Ooh, maybe the stickers.
Ooh, cute. So how does it feel having your own product lines?
It's honestly a dream come true. I never thought I'd be able to design so many different products.
What are you working on next?
More stationery for 2020 and lots more clothing.
Are you a desktop or laptop person?
Laptop.
Have you really used every product in here?
I honestly have. We tested and tried every single thing and it's gotten the LaurDIY and Moose DIY stamp of approval.
What's your favorite color?
Holographic?
What was it like having Mr. Kate redo this entire room?
It was so much fun. They were so great to work with, and look at this freaking wallpaper. They watercolored me a wallpaper.
That's awesome. What was it before?
It was this like hideous gothic dining room. This was a big black chandelier, and it was just super formal, and it was not the vibe.
Are we ever gonna get an entire house tour?
Maybe one day, but it's not ready yet.
What would you be doing if YouTube didn't exist?
Ooh, I don't know. I think maybe like an art director or like a creative director of some kind.
Is that what you wanted to be when you were younger?
I actually wanted to be an interior designer.
Did you get good grades in school?
Yeah, I was kind of a teacher's pet a little bit.
Any sports?
I played basketball, soccer. I was a big time runner, like track and cross country.
Is it true that you have a degree?
I do a Bachelor of Technology.
How long have you lived in LA?
It's been 4 years now.
Favorite thing about LA?
The weather, hands down.
Amazing. How long have you been in this house?
It's been a year and a half in this house now.
What's it feel like to be a homeowner?
Proud.
Do you ever get scared living alone?
It's just Moose and I, but not that I think he would ever do anything if we were to like be under attack, but it's a pretty safe house, so I feel okay.
Is this your forever home?
Ooh, I want to say yes, but if I'm being honest, probably not.
You're Canadian, right?
I am.
What do you miss most about Toronto?
Friends, family, and just how nice all Canadians are.
Would you ever move back?
Never say never, but I love LA.
How many YouTube videos do you have?
616.
Wow, I've got some catching up to do.
Seriously.
What's your favorite kind of video to do?
I think collabs.
Any collabs coming up?
Morgan Adams is actually coming over this week.
This is a pretty cute room. Is it always this clean?
No, definitely not.
Do you make your bed every day?
Also, definitely not.
Are we ever gonna get any LaurDIY bedding and pillow sets?
I might already be working on some.
Ooh. How about Moose? Where does he sleep?
He sleeps right here as like little spoon, or sometimes just kind of on top of my head and hogs all the pillows and blankets.
Are you a morning or night person?
I would say kind of like in between. Like I sleep maybe like 12 till 8 a.m.
Like a normal person, right?
Like a normal person.
Who's the last person you texted?
I think actually one of you guys.
Phone call or FaceTime?
Ooh, FaceTime unless someone's got bad Wi-Fi.
If you were a rapper, what would your name be?
I feel like I have a major missed opportunity here of being LaurDIY.
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 Describe yourself in 3 words.
I think bubbly, optimistic, and glittery?
How about Moose in 3 words?
Stubborn for sure. Playful and loving.
Spirit animal?
Moose when he's tired.
How many tattoos do you have?
I'm like just flailing my arms. I think I have 4. No, I definitely have 4.
Do you have plans for more?
I might, but super don't tell my mom.
I won't tell Mom.
Don't tell mom.
What are you up to today?
I think you're kind of looking at it. I think this is kind of it. Just chilling.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for hanging.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.